Namaskar, welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze, and I am your instructor Neha. We are practicing a series of 10-minute everyday yoga for 30 days and we are on day 19. So stay tuned and practice with me. Please be on your mat, place it gently in an empty room where you can connect and focus on yourself. Sit gently into Siddhasana. Left leg is down, right leg is up. Back will be gently straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra and gently close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Try to leave all your thoughts aside. Focus only on yourself. Set your intention for the next 10 minutes. Relax. We will begin by chanting Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Rub your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Welcome back to the session, everyone. And now we will begin with our asana practice. Now we'll begin with some core movements. Just open your legs straight and come on your elbows. Place your elbows down firmly and then be like this in this position. And now, for the starters, we fold our legs. Okay, and then take it straight and down. Just warming up a bit and down. Up and down. We have the support of our back. Okay, of one leg and both our hands. Make sure speed is not important, but proper stretching is important. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, one last time and down. Relax yourself. Take a breath. Now we will straighten our legs like this and go for cycling motion. Cyclic motion. Engage your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it down. Take a breath. And now opposite cycle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down and gently roll down. Take a breath. Breathe in and out. Calm down. Sure, let's continue. We will continue with the leg raises in the supine position as well, okay? Both the legs straight. Lift your right leg up, straight up and down. Left leg up and down. In continuation, just try to keep your knees straight. Continue. No need to rush. Practice with stability. Continuous normal breathings. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Now I'll place both my hands under my hips like this for better support. Okay, then I will repeat the same movement, but I will cross my legs. Okay, right up and midway left up. Again, cross and up, cross and up. Feel the engagement in your legs. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down and relax. Inhale and exhale. Release your hands and legs. Calm down. Let's continue now. Fold both your legs together. Lift and press it on your stomach for Pavanmuktasana. You can also lift your head up. Release all the pressure around your stomach. Slowly drop your head down. Maintain position and just go for gentle rolling. Gentle rolling right and left. Just enjoy this movement. Your back, your core area. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Relax. Take a breath. Breathe in and out. Now slowly turn from one side. Come on your stomach. Fold both your legs together. We'll continue with the Dhanurasana. Hold your ankles. Chin on the ground. Once you're ready, inhale and lift your body up. Stretch up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Take a breath. Breathe in and out. One last time. Breathe in and up. Slowly down. And relax. Take a breath in Makarasana. Relax. Once you feel better, move the hands under your shoulders. Lift up. Go to child's pose, okay? Land your hips on your heels. Slow down. Again, both the hands under your shoulders, lift up. Sit comfortably in a comfortable cross-leg position. Slowly place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Inhale and exhale. Normal, natural breath. Relax. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis all together. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Thank you so much everyone for practicing with me and being here on the 19th day. Tomorrow I'll see you again for day 20. Do not miss your cycle in between. Okay? And please share this video to your friends and family so that they can also practice and engage with their body and their health. Also, I would like you all to please press the like button if you like the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye-bye.